Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my March Boxycharm unboxing as well as my Ipsy bag unbagging, I guess you would call it. I don't know. We're just gonna go through these items, see what I received, let you know if I think that this month's box and bag was worth the money. And also we're going to be testing out the items and letting you know kind of my first impressions, what I thought of them, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you'll never miss another video. Feels like it's been a while since I filmed. We just got our sweet little dog Ellie. We got her fixed, and so I've just been kind of focusing on taking care of her, watching her, making sure everything's okay. Enough rambling. Like I said, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I zoomed y'all in just a little bit. I'm gonna go through the box first, the Boxycharm box, and just show you what I got. Let you know what the MSRP, the price of these are. You get 4 to 5 full-size items with the Boxycharm box, which I think is amazing. But for the most part, Ipsy gives you just some trial size items. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. First thing in my Boxycharm box is these South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. It says that they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. You thoroughly cleanse the eye area, apply the product under the eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. So I'll be trying those out. The price of those, $10. So it's already half of what I spent on the whole box. So I got this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. It looks like that. So I'll be trying this out. That mascara alone is $20. So right there, that's pretty much, those two items is already over what you spent on the whole box. I think that is amazing. And I got these Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. That is so cute. So yeah, it's just a pack of 3 eye shadow brushes, which I can definitely use for this video. And those are $23.15. A very specific price. Kind of worried about this. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade Prim Vixen. Like, can you see how bright? Wow. Just that blush is $26. And this is the thing that I'm most excited about because I've seen everyone post about it on Instagram. The Boxycharm Pure eyeshadow palette. And guys, this palette seriously like screams spring. Definitely gonna be playing with this today. And that palette retails for $36. So that's nearly double you spend on the box. Nearly double. Oh, theme for this month was vacation. How cute is that? We're gonna go through the Ipsy bag. So this month's, it looks like this. By the brand Gold Faden MD. It is a facial detox, clarify, and clear mask. And this is for oily and acne prone skin, which is what I have. So this is just a little mask. It says that the purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clear, blemish-free skin. So we will try this probably tonight. On Hikari Cosmetics, we received a cream pigment. Really pretty. Like, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. That makes me want to do a peachy gold eye look. I feel like that would be so pretty. I really think that that's what I'm gonna have to do. That is beautiful. The City Color Glow Duo, and this is a highlight duo. One is a cream and one is a powder. Just comes in a little box like that. Ew. The cream is a big no-go. This is like a oily, just slick mess. Like nothing even, there's no color payoff, there's no shimmer payoff. It's seriously just a big oily mess. The powder highlight seemed to be pretty. So this Tarte Sex Kitten, is it eyeliner? So that would be good for just tight lining the eyes. It's a lip liner from Contour Cosmetics. I really like this packaging. It's just It's just really pretty gold packaging. And this is in this number 4 shade Juju. That's a really cute name. I like that. Juju. Good Juju. So that's a really pretty nude color. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off of camera and then I'll be right back to get started. Okay, you guys, I am back with the brows done. Let's see what we're gonna do first. I did already prime and set them. I primed them just with my Tarte Shape Tape, and then I set them with just a neutral powder color. So nothing too crazy there, nothing out of the usual. So yeah, we're gonna go into this beauty right here. This Boxycharm Pure eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be really extra today and going with some tape. I know a lot of people are super against this, but you know, it's what I like to do sometimes. Okay, so I have my tape on. And we're going in with this shade Perfect right here on a fluffy blending brush. Now that we have that transition shade, it does have a little bit of fallout, I will say that, but we're gonna go in with this shade Belle in our crease. Little shade right here. With that, you want just a more defined blending brush. Yeah, there is a lot of fallout with these, but that's something that really honestly doesn't bother me. I know it bothers like a lot of people, but for me, that's just something that I honestly don't care that much about. This, we're focusing more up on the top, going more towards the brow, keeping that color up high. Really pigmented, it's not super bright. Now go use one of these brushes, step 1 for the money, to try to pack on some color. We're gonna go in with the shade Naked. So just like in a patting motion, outer V. You know what? We're actually gonna go all over the lid with this. Not as pigmented as it looks like. This other brush for it says step 2 for the shadow. It's like a little angled type. We're gonna go back in with the shade Belle, which was that second shade that I used. Try to like deepen up the outer V a bit. Dream though, like I am loving this. I've been wanting to do like a spring like peachy look, and this is all about it, y'all. I'm gonna go in with this High Cream Pigment. I'm gonna do a bit of a halo eye, so I'm gonna go in with this concealer. It's just the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Light, and we're going to just put this in the center of the eye. Just gonna go in with my finger, toe smooth. Gold on top of that concealer. For our halo eye, we're gonna go back in to the palette, and we're gonna go back in with the shade Naked. A crease to kind of blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in super quick with this just NYX matte liner. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and did all of my face makeup as well as finished my eyeliner. And so yeah, I've done everything to my face, things that, you know, we didn't have in with this little first impression. I did go ahead and tightline my eyes also with the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and I did like how it went on so smoothly. We are going to go in now with this highlight, the City Color Glow Duo. This little bad boy. I'm actually going with a dampened beauty blender here. Beauty blender, sorry, it's just a beauty sponge, whatever, off-brand. It's actually $1. I got it from Shop Miss A, and I'm very impressed. Let's go ahead, dip in here. Oh dear, it's pretty dark. I hope it's not too dark for mine. It does not emphasize my texture so far, so that's really good. It looks a lot darker. You see how dark it looks on Beauty Blender, but it's not that dark when it's on your skin. So. Color is a super affordable brand, so beautiful. I'm impressed with that. Like I said, that's a definite pass on the cream one. It's seriously like oily, like an oily, just oily slick mess. Like that is just gonna slide around all of your makeup. It's not gonna do anything to your skin that I could really see. Go pass on that one. I'm gonna go back into the palette. I'm gonna go in with that Belle shade. Just one of the peachy shades, and I'm living for this palette right now. Like this eyeshadow palette is beautiful. Like I said, it's like a perfect like spring palette. I would highly like recommend this palette to anyone. Beautiful, so pretty, love it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the Pretty Vulgar blush, like the crazy freaking intense pink. I'm so nervous about this. Get it off. Oh. Okay, it's definitely not like my thing per se, but I mean it's a really pretty color. It's very pigmented, very smooth. It's really not that bad. Now we're going in with this Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. Okay, I mean it's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad, but it's definitely not giving me as much volume like as my Essence one that I really enjoy, or the Wet n Wild one that I've also been liking. So I would not say that this is worth, I think it was like the $20 or something, like just my personal opinion. So like you can see, like it's not terrible, it's not a bad mascara by any means, but I do have some drugstore ones that I would honestly prefer over a, that's $20. I really don't think it's worth $20 in my opinion, but I mean, I will use it again just until it's out, but I would not repurchase it, and I would not recommend you buying it for $20 when there are cheaper drugstore alternatives out there for mascara. Alright, last but not least, we're going to go in with the Contour Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Juju. Line our lips. Oh, it hurts. Like it. You get over the fact, like after the super sharp part, I mean it goes on fairly smooth, but I also have some drugstore ones that go on more smoothly and are probably cheaper. So, not crazy impressed. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and added some lips. I just added this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. Love this. It's just a really pretty pink color. So yeah, this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? Well, honestly, I wanted something a lot more bold for the eyes, but when I got in there, those peach shades just really drew me in. Things that I would pass on would be the Bella Pierre mascara, and the lip liner was not too crazy about that. Now the City Color Glow Duo, I really like the powder highlight, but since the cream highlight was just did not do it for me, I would honestly pass on that too. Besides that, I mean everything else that we tried, the blush was really pretty. Like I said, it's not technically like a shade that I would use normally, but I mean I probably will use it again. Just use it with a very light hand. The palette, eyeshadow palette, was a definite yes. Love it. The Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner is very smooth, very bold, like a bold black, very pretty. The Hikari cream pigment, like that gold that we put here on, like for the halo eye, beautiful and so creamy. The brushes were great, the eyeshadow brushes. So yeah, I really do think that the Boxycharm box and the Ipsy bag, they were pretty great this month. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and if you want to see more videos like this monthly. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Today's video we are going to be filming walkthrough of some of the items. Cute. It's cute. Thanks, boo. Love you. Stop, go! I don't know what you've been